Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new story. The genre of the new story is realistic fiction, which means that it could happen in real life. The essential question is, how can weather affect us? And now let's start reading. The title is Wrapped in Ice. The sound of something hitting the window woke Kim up. Ping, ping, ping. What's that? Kim asked herself. Kim peeked outside. The trees were coated with ice. The yard sparkled. The driveway was like a skating rink. Even the car was wrapped in an icy design. Mom, why is everything covered in ice? Kim wanted to know. That's a good question, said Mom. Good thing I'm a science teacher. It's raining, but the air is very cold, so the raindrops freeze when they land on cold surfaces like signs, trees, and roads. Mom turned on the TV weather. A reporter said, "A winter storm has hit this part of the country. Freezing rain is making streets and roads icy. We advise you to stay inside. Children can't stay home. Schools will be closed." "We have a snow day," cried Kim. "You mean an ice day," laughed Mom. Suddenly, all the lights went out. "I guess some icy tree branches broke," said Mom. "They must have knocked down power lines. We won't have any power until the lines are fixed." Kim looked worried, but Mom said, "Let's just pretend we are camping." Mom lit the logs in the fireplace. Kim got flashlights. They played lots of games. It was fun to eat their lunch by the fire. Then Mom said, "Listen." The ping, ping, ping had stopped. "The storm must be over," cried Kim. Up and down the street, people came outside. There was so much to do. Everyone worked together. They put sand on the walks. They broke up the ice. Noses got red. Brr! The air was very cold. "I made a fire in the fireplace," Mom called out. "Come in and warm up." Neighbors came with flashlights and snacks. Miss Knox brought cider. Mr. Wright told about the year it snowed in the month of May. Kim told knock-knock jokes. "It's nice when everyone gathers together," said Mom. Just then, the lights came on. Everyone cheered. "It's been a big day," smiled Mom. "We were lucky to be cozy and safe." "We are lucky to have such nice neighbors too," said Kim. "We turned an ice day into an ice party."